What's up traders, it's Nick here and welcome to another breakdown. As usual, I will be keeping it as educational as possible and also practical. So without further ado, let the intro roll and I will see you on the charts. Okay, so I got a lot of requests for an update on the situation that we currently have on XRP USD and an update on the next price prediction for XRP USD. So that is exactly what I will be doing into this video. I will be giving you guys a full multi-time frame analysis on it to show you where we can be looking for the next potential opportunities. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what do we have? Now, here on the monthly, we have a market which has tested multiple times in extremely strong monthly demand and support area. In fact, this zone has been acting as extremely strong demand and support here, preceding all this bullish move. Again, the market tested and rejected this area to the upside here with this nice move. Again, the market here tested and rejected. Again, here tested and rejected. And the very last time the market tested this area, just after this SEC lawsuit news came out, the market melted and tested once again this extremely strong monthly demand area. And we can see how in the last months, the market has been rejecting this area, which is, by the way, exactly what you usually expect in this kind of situations. So here in the monthly, what we know is that the market has just tested and rejected a very strong monthly demand area, and there is definitely the possibility to see the market create more upside move and upside potential. Going down on the weekly time frame, what do we have? Now here on the weekly, price action has been extremely clear in the past. In fact, first of all, the market had created this horizontal accumulation phase. From here, we did expect the market to provide this move to the upside. And in fact, the market provided a massive move to the upside, and I had made a full breakdown of XRP USD when the market was here, explaining all the reasons for which, from here, we expected the market to provide this move to the upside. And in fact, that is exactly what the market did. Then we had the creation of this M pattern. Now, generally speaking, if you see an M formation, what you expect is for the market to create a move to the upside to go and test at least the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse leg. So from the high to the low of the impulse. And basically you expect a move at least to the 0.32, which is the first retracement level. So after this M pattern, I made another breakdown of XRP USD when the market was here, explaining all the reasons for which we expected the market to provide a nice move to the upside to retrace at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on this impulse. And in fact, that is exactly what the market did. Then we had the creation of this W formation here. And after this W, when the market was here, I made a full breakdown explaining all the reasons for which, from here, we did expect the market to provide this move to the downside to go and complete the pattern at the previous resistance, not on support. And again, that is exactly what the market did. And by the way, I will link all this previous analysis in description so you can go and check it out for further reference and more free education. I will link everything in the description, the reason for which I wanted to see this move to the upside, this move to the upside, and this move to the downside. You find everything linked below for more education and further reference. If you have any questions or requests for the next video, make sure you leave them down in the comment section. Also, make sure that you smash that like button and subscribe. But at the moment, what do we have and how we can be looking for the next potential opportunity on it? Now here on the weekly, at the moment, we can see that we are inside of a strong demand area. Now, why are we inside of a strong demand zone? Because in all this impulse to the upside, there is one candle which is not related to the move, which is this very strong rejection candle and basically this red body. So this red body is actually strong demand, and we can see how the market at the moment is actually stuck inside of it. So here on the weekly, we're testing strong demand, and there is definitely the possibility to see this market create a rejection to the upside. Going down on the daily time frame, what do we have? Now here on the daily, price action is quite rough because we have seen a lot of spikes up and it down. We can see how the last time that the market tested support, it was here. The market created a higher high, which was what we expected. However, the market then rejected its zone back down, created a lower low. And at this point, after the market created this move to the downside and broke below this previous support. As you know, in the market, previous support, once it is broken to the downside, is turned resistance. So basically what we have here is a strong area of previous support, which now is turned resistance, because that is how the market moves. Previous support, once it is broken, is turned resistance. However, if we look a little bit closer, what we can see is that actually the market here had created a minor inverted head and shoulders. In fact, this move to the upside was a quite interesting move that we did expect, and we wanted to capitalize on this move to the upside. In fact, I had spoken about the possibility that the market could definitely create this move to the upside in my other channel, which is dedicated only in crypto trading and investing. And basically that is the Kryptonic Academy. You can go and check it out. I will put a link in the description. You find it also here or here. So I really suggest that you go and subscribe to that channel as well, because there I speak only about crypto trading and investing. And I did speak there of all the reasons for which from here we did expect the market to create this move to the upside. And I will link also that previous video in description. However, in creating this move to the upside, as I just said, here we have created a minor inverted head and shoulders. Now, if it is not easy for you to identify this inverted head and shoulders, what you can do is go down on a line chart. Now, on the line chart, you will see only the closes. But since we are on the daily time frame, you will only see daily closes. And what we can see is that we have a left shoulder here, a head here, and right shoulder here, from which we definitely expected the market to provide this move to the upside. But this also means that we have just created new structure, and the new structure is exactly this red candle here, because in all this move to the upside, there is one candle which is not related to the move, which is exactly this red candle here, that the market might easily want to go and test, which is in fact exactly what the market is currently doing. So actually what we currently have here on XRP USD is a market which is bounded. It is bounded between the previous support, now turn resistance, that we have here on the daily time frame, and the previous resistance, turn support, that we have again here on the daily time frame. And in a bounded market, we cannot be looking for an opportunity, because in the market, until it is bounded in between this resistance and support, by definition it is bounded, meaning that the market can easily continue to move in a sideways way inside of this channel. So with students, until the market will remain in between the support and resistance, we will not be looking for any kind of opportunity. However, if the market will break either to the upside or to the downside, that would provide some quite interesting opportunities. In fact, if XRP USD will break above this resistance, as you know in the market, previous resistance, once it is broken, is turned support. So after the break on the retest of this previous resistance, now turned support, inside of here, what we will be doing with students? Well, as usual, the monthly, weekly, and daily, those are the best time frames for the direction of the market. But when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frame is the 4 hours. So inside of here, we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective, waiting for the market to shift from a 4-hour bearish market, as we will have, to a 4-hour bullish market. And as soon as the market will shift from a bearish to a bullish market, at that point, we will be adding XRP USD to our watch list with students, and as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to complete this impulse, correction, and impulse pattern to the upside. On the other side, if the market will break below this support, at that point, the support will be turned resistance, meaning that at that point, we can be looking for a nice shorting opportunity. So after the break, on the retest of this previous support and resistance, we will be doing the exact same thing. So with students, we will be monitoring price action on the 4-hour time frame, waiting for the market to shift from a 4-hour bullish to a 4-hour bearish market. And as soon as the market will do that, we will be adding, again, XRP USD to our watch list with students. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice short with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities at that point for the move to the downside and for the market to complete this impulse, correction, and impulse pattern to the downside. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education analysis and updates for all of you. You can also let me know in the comment section below any pair that you would like me to break down in the next videos. And I will also leave a link to the mentorship program in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you get all the rules of my rule-based strategies, and then you trade them live with me. Each and every day I give you a new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies with the entries, stops, and take profits, as well as answering any question that you have every single day. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out, and I will see you in it.